Okay, hello everybody. Now let's open file 3, flow fences. And click here, drag out the dialog box, click flow along curve. You will see command is flow. There is another way to carry out the flow command. I will show you right now. So, in the instruction bar, you type in FL and it will show flow, and just click it. You can always type in here to carry out other command, okay? And now let's select object to flow along curve. This is object. Right click, and it will show select near one end. For beginners, except pay attention to this instruction bar to know next step, you need to always pay attention to the parameters and know what's the meaning of them. Now, select near one end is here. And if I select near matching end here, it will show like this. The fence starts from here, right? But if I select the matching end here, the fence will start from here. That's the difference. Now let's show you what's the meaning of copy if I switch a copy yes to no. You will see the original fence disappear. Right? Now I will show you what's the meaning of rigid. If the rigid is yes, you can see this line is straight. It's not curved anymore. And what's the meaning of line? Click it, start line, end line, draw it, and click the target curve. You will see the fence is backward offset, right? But if you draw the line here, you can see the fence is offset forward. And what's the stretch mean? If I switch it to yes, see, the fence will be long enough. It covered all the circle. Okay? Yeah. You can practice right now, and that's what the parameters mean. Thank you.